Councilmember Mathieu Eugene commemorates the beauty of our diversity at the inaugural Community Diversity and Leadership Awards celebration at Crystal Manor on Sunday, May 1st, 2011.
Singing of the United States of America national anthem.
Oh God.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? Whose birthright and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming.
That was about to serve, and I met Dr. Eugene, and he's been a great partner. He's supported our hospital, our network tremendously. He has been a counselor for me, and I am just so proud of him. And I accept this award on behalf of all the staff of the Central Brooklyn Network, many of who are right over here. I stand on your shoulders. And I promise to all of you that the best is yet to come for Kings County Hospital. The staff that we have are dedicated in commitment to making this a model for the city of New York. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Venue, Crystal Manor, for the first Community Diversity and Leadership Award. But before I go further, let me take the opportunity to thank God from the bottom of my heart and all my soul, to thank God for what He has done for me and for what He has done for each one of us here. When I look at the audience and I see wonderful, esteemed guests professional, elected official, people that I'm so proud to have the privilege to serve. Let me say thank you to God first. And allow me please also to express my gratitude and my thanks to many people who have been there for me for many years. If I got where I am, I couldn't get there by myself. Impossible. I didn't become what I am or who I am because I'm the best one, because I'm the most intelligent one. No. I get there, first of all, because by the grace of God, and also because of the help of so many people, and among them, each one of you here. But allow me to express my gratitude, my heartfelt gratitude to my family, to my wife, Mathieu Eugene. Should we stand up, please? Thank you. Thank you very much. And let me tell you this. This is precious for me. That means a lot for me. Being an elected official, that requires support, strong support. And that support, you give it to me. And I remember a few years ago, I was not an elected official. I was just in the community, serving the community, helping the children, access to quality healthcare, job opportunities, housing. That's the reason, as a city council member, I am fighting to do the best that I can do to ensure that our children receive the best education possible. That's the reason that I provided funding to all the schools. We are talking about quality health, quality life. Very soon in MS2, you are going to see I gave funding to the Park and Recreation Department to create a brand new park at PS 92. Ladies and gentlemen, words are not enough to express my gratitude to you and to all the honorees. I feel privileged and honored to have the opportunity to pay tribute to you today. You represent the embodiment of what is great, what is fine, what is admirable in our community. Today we want to pay tribute to you for our achievement, for everything that you have done for the community. And let me tell you, your deeds speak far more than what I can say. But I want you to accept this celebration and the award as a token of appreciation, as a sincere and heartfelt sense to thank you and to show you our gratitude.
From the honorees, I'm going to be extremely brief. I just want to really cascade a message out that I've said for so long, that Dr. Eugene has raised the standards and what we expect of elected officials, but it's a partnership. I say it over and over. He was not elected to the position of the Messiah. He was elected to the position of the city council. He's not going to walk on water. He's not going to park water. Just as there's an expectation to be an elected official, there's an expectation to be a good citizen. Folks got to go to PTA meetings, community board meetings, precinct council meetings. We have to get involved. Far too often, all we do is complain. No one cares about a complainer. They're concerned about a doer. We got to raise the standard from the schoolhouse, from the boiler room to the boardroom. We got to give our children belts to put on their pants. We got to tell them that it's all right to have an A. We got to tell them that the place you need to be is not to be a street corner pharmaceutical salesman where you're selling drugs. We can't have little boys carving highways of death with 9mm bullets through our community, taking away innocent lives. We cannot remain silent while Dr. King's...
Miss Barbados, please come. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to turn the microphone over to the MC.
Okay, let's have the young ladies tell us briefly about... Yes. everyone, my name is Lisa. I won the state pageant in November, and my national pageant is this July 16 in the Bahamas. And I'm a freshman at John Jay College taking FBI criminal prosecution.
Hello everyone, my name is Mathieu Eugene. I'm Miss Barbados USA 2010-2011. I'm 21 years old. I'm a senior at Inaugural Community College and I'm majoring in Office Administration Technology.